Welcome to Grozeo Drive app. Enter your mobile number and input the OTP. Swipe to go online. Please enter your registration number and select your vehicle, only required during the first login. Let's try processing one order. Order processing. When an order comes in, you will hear a notification sound. Swipe to accept the order. Follow the instructions on the map to reach the store location. Click Arrived at branch. Pick up the order from the staff. If there's one packet in the order, please format the barcode number as follows. Order number, total packets, packet number. For example, for an order 240-730-0355 with 2 packets. The first packet should be labeled 2407300355521. The second packet should be labeled 2407300355522. Click Start Delivery and follow the map to the assigned address. Click Arrived at the destination and then click Mark as delivered. In the final step, you will see 3 options for confirming the delivery. OTP. The OTP will be sent to the customer's phone. Enter the OTP to complete the order. Signature. If the customer doesn't have their phone, ask them to sign on your device. Photo. If the customer requests you to leave the order at a specific location, e.g., in front of the door, inside the garage, etc., select this option and take a picture as proof. Congratulations! You just delivered one order.